Hello and welcome to Just My Opinion, for what it's worth. This is my channel, fairly new channel, where I give my opinion on products that I've bought. At the moment it is just bought. There are no sponsored links, affiliated links, but if that changes I will make a note in the comments with any links that I've put in. I'd appreciate it if you could stick around till the end. This is just going to be a short one where I am looking at the RODE VideoMicro II. I believe it's called a gun microphone. Just to see what's in the box, and then I'll put another link at the end of this video when I've used it for a while to let you know what I think. The reason I've purchased this one is the camera that I'm currently using, which I'm using for the close-up shots at the moment, which is this one. It's a budget camera. It's a new channel, so I'm trying to pay for it as I go along. It is the Ahlirmoy, and I will put that on the screen just here. Video camera. It's fine. It comes with a gimbal. And a gun microphone, which is battery powered. It's got its own rechargeable battery in there. I'm not overly impressed with it, and I do have to keep switching it on. So that being said, just bear with me a moment. So that being said, let's have a look. So the box, quite nice. It's not one of the plain boxes. It comes, sorry, I will put that out of the way. So there you go. Nice packaging. I do like nice packaging. This is the RODE VideoMicro II Ultra camera or mobile device it's for. So let's have a look anyway. I do two versions of these videos. I do a speeded up version, just purely opening the box, and this version with my comments as I go through. And if there's a little story to it, I'll pass that on to you, such as why I've purchased this one. So gently opening the box, let's see what's in there. Oh, it's so exciting, so exciting. So there we have a little instruction manual. This does come with, so we've got a short cable. I think it's 3.5mm DIN pin cable. There's a stretchy one there, I guess for tops of cameras. Then we've actually got the microphone, which that does come on if you just want to put it on the top of the camera, or if it's a windy day, then obviously you can put the, sorry, I'll put that on the screen just there because I've forgotten what it's called. Is that switches? So I guess that's to keep the damp out. Then we've got the microphone cover that you can use for, again, for an exceptionally windy day. And in there, regulatory and safety guide. Obviously, we all read that one. And finally, 3.5mm microphone quick start guide. Okay, so again, quick start, extremely quick start. I will have a go at this, and like I say, at the end of the video, I will put a link to it. I'll have already, just going back to the Ahlirmoy digital camera, I'll put a link on that one. At the time of doing this video, I've only done an opening the box. It's getting quite a few views, so if you want to have a look at what's in that one, by all means do. Would appreciate it if you could comment on the content of this. If you found it useful, give us a thumbs up. The rest of it, I'm sure you all know, and everybody's the same in the video, but it's all down to algorithms, and I would like to get this channel working for itself, as they say, or I say anyway. Anyway, have a good day. Bless you. Thank you for taking the time to watch this. Bye.